In this video, we'll look at how to model a traffic cone. Shift+A and add an 8-vertex circle. Tab into Edit Mode. Numpad 1 for front view. E+Z and extrude 0.2 meters. Press E, right-click, press S and scale 0.6 units inwards. Numpad 1 for front view. Press E+Z and type 1.8 to extrude up 1.8 meters. Press S and type 0.1 to scale down. Control or Command+R and add 4 loop cuts. Add a single loop cut at the top and slide it up close to the top edge. Select the bottom 2 edges and bevel with Control or Command+B. The bevel has 2 segments here. Now switch to Material Preview and go to Material Properties. Add 2 materials for red and white colors. Switch to Face Select Mode and select 2 face loops with Alt or Option plus Shift plus left click. In Material Properties tab, click on a sign with white material selected. Now, tab into Object Mode and press Ctrl or Command+3 to add a Level 3 subdivision. Right-click and Shade Smooth. Add a Solidify modifier. Set thickness to 0.02 meters and under Edge Dataset Crease and Outer to 1. The traffic cone modeling is complete. Thanks for watching. Follow and subscribe for more.